In today's video, we're tackling a common issue that many Windows users face, the dreaded critical process died blue screen error. First, if you can access your desktop, click on the search box, type reset, and choose Reset this PC. Dive into the advanced startup options by selecting Advanced Startup and clicking Restart Now. Now, if you can't access your desktop, don't panic. Force shut down your laptop or PC by holding the power button and repeat this process 3 times. This will lead you to the Advanced Options menu upon restarting. Once you're in the Advanced Options, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Start by giving Startup Repair a shot. If that doesn't do the trick, head back to the Advanced Options and select Command Prompt. Command Prompt Steps. In the command prompt, execute a series of commands, including bootrec/fixmbr, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/rebuildbcd, and sfc/scannow. These commands will scan and fix potential issues with your system files. If any problems are found, give them the time they need to be resolved. Final check. Finish up with chkdsk/f/r to ensure your disk is in good shape. Once all commands are complete, restart your computer and, hopefully, bid farewell to the blue screen issue. And there you have it. If this solution works for you, consider subscribing, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.